Okay, so we are going to do 20.2 today, modeling and density. And this is on page 1047. So up here, you see density is the amount of matter that an object has in a given unit of volume. And here's the formula, mass divided by volume. So here it talks about some wood, and it wants you to kind of guess which one's denser, but we're just going to do. So the first thing we do the problem. So the first thing we're going to do is determine the volume of each log. So for the Douglas, okay, volume equals area of the base times height. So that means the area of a tree is a circle. So I have area equals pi r squared times height. And I have, if the diameter is 6, the radius is 3. So, and the height is 17. So when I figure that out, I get 480 centimeters cubed. So the American redwood volume equals area of the base times height. Again, that's pi r squared times h, which is pi 4 squared times 12. And when I do that, I get 603 centimeters cubed. And one of the things that you could notice is even though the height is shorter on the redwood, that radius is more. And radius is the one being squared, and that's what makes the difference. So now we're going to do the density. Density equals mass divided by volume. And the mass of the Douglas is 254 divided by 480, which is going to give us about 0.53 kilograms per centimeter cubed. And over here we get density equals 271 over 603, which is 0.49. I'm sorry, 0.449, which is about 0.5. And that's how you do that. And on the next page, we've got population. So if you want to find the population density, you do population divided by area. So if we look at the next page, I think there's a problem. There we go, number 5 on page 1049. So it says Chicago has a population of that, 2,715,000. So we're doing population divided by area. Now it doesn't give us area. It says it can be modeled as a parallelogram. So if I look at this little graph over here, each one of these things go by 5, so this is 10. And I need the height of this to find area. And remember I said it's always perpendicular. It's a perpendicular line. So that line is 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so area equals 10 times 20, length times width, which is 200. So I can put that over here. And I'm going to put 2,715,000 divided by 200. And that's going to give me 13,600 people per mile squared. Okay? And And I believe that is all. So for homework, I want you to do page 1051. I want you to do 1 through, let's see, 1 through 6, 10, 15, and the task. Plus I have a worksheet that the substitute will hand out for you to do. So y'all have fun, enjoy the homework, and I will see you tomorrow.